Well, it's been a busy and eventful week for Cardiff City, whose influence had been felt both at home and away. The news came first from Sheffield Wednesday, where Cardiff's loanee Ethan Horvath was sent off late in the Owls' 2-1 defeat to Charlton Athletic. The US goalkeeper's red card left Wednesday without a senior option for their midweek clash against Middlesbrough, prompting the EFL to grant permission for an emergency loan under Regulation 58. Horvath's suspension is another reminder of Cardiff's reach across the EFL this season, but back in South Wales the focus remains on progress under Barry Murphy. The Bluebirds continue to impress in League One, climbing the table with a mix of youth and attacking flair. Central to this has been young forward Omari Kellyman, who scored his first goal for the club in the 2-1 win over Reading. The 19-year-old on loan from Chelsea described the strike as a milestone after a challenging year that included a serious hamstring injury. "I'm delighted," Kellyman said. "Last year was tough, but moving here has helped me rebuild my confidence. Every game I play gives me more belief in my body and my ability to push on. The manager's style suits me. We like to dominate possession and I can feel I express myself and create chances." His first league goal marked a step in his development, adding much-needed spark to Cardiff's forward line. Meanwhile, academy graduate Joel Colwill was named Carabao Cup's Player of the Round after starring in Cardiff's 2-1 win over Premier League side Burnley. Colwill opened the scoring at Turf Moor and helped the team control the game, highlighting the strength of Barry Murphy's youth integration. With optimism growing around the squad and key young players stepping up, Cardiff City look ready to continue their rise. The next test comes in the fourth round of the Carabao Cup, where they will face an all-Welsh clash against Wrexham, offering another chance to showcase the club's progress and ambition throughout the season.